If you look at South America's map, you'll notice a very unusual country, Chile. It's incredibly long and narrow, squeezed between the Pacific Ocean and the Andes Mountains. This unique shape creates both beauty and big problems. Chile wasn't always like this. In ancient times, different tribes lived along this narrow strip. Then came the Spanish Empire in the 15th century, looking for gold. But Chile was full of mountains, deserts, and resistant tribes. After gaining independence in 1818, Chile was just a small territory. Over the next century, it expanded north and south through wars and treaties. In the north, Chile fought the War of the Pacific against Peru and Bolivia and gained a massive stretch of land. Bolivia lost its entire coastline and Chile grew longer. In the south, Chile clashed with Argentina over Patagonia, and after several tensions, a treaty in 1881 gave Chile control over the southern tip and the Strait of Magellan. Today, Chile stretches 4,200 kilometers from north to south, making it the longest country in the world. But it's also very narrow. Some parts are just 100 kilometers wide. This causes many challenges. Roads must cut through deserts and mountains, and traveling from one end to the other often requires going through Argentina. The north has the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth. The south has icy winds, snow, and glaciers. In remote areas, travel is only possible by boat or plane. During natural disasters like earthquakes, common in Chile due to its position on the Pacific Ring of Fire, rescue efforts are extremely difficult. Chile's government built the Carretera Austral, Route 7, to connect the country, but the terrain made it hard. Even after decades, parts of the road remain unfinished due to floods, forests, and earthquakes. Population distribution is also uneven. Around 40% of Chileans live near the capital Santiago. This creates imbalances. While central Chile has jobs and services, the far north and south struggle with weak infrastructure. Chile relies heavily on exports like copper, lithium, salmon, and fruits, but moving goods across the country is tough and expensive. Reaching ports requires multiple transport modes, increasing cost and time. Despite all this, Chile has adapted. The government invested in internet, solar energy, and drone deliveries for remote areas. Over 90% of Chileans have internet access. Chile also works with Argentina to reach its southern parts. Now a leader in South American tech and startups, Chile is turning its geography into an advantage, especially in renewable energy. The lesson is clear: we can't change our geography, but we can change how we respond to it.